Hi everyone, I'm Devi. Welcome to my gardening series. In this episode, I'm going to take you to a tour of my kitchen garden and show you what veggies that I'm growing in my garden. It is late June and I've already harvested my spring veggies and I'm waiting for my summer veggies to be ready. Come along, I'll take you through my veggie paradise. In this year, I wanted to include more flowers and herbs along with vegetable plants. Some of the flowering plants that I have included are zinnias, marigolds, and dahlias. These single petal dahlias are especially for the pollinators who can have easy access to the pollen and the honey. I am also growing other varieties of dahlias with different color, pattern, and variety. Over the side of the steps, I have also added some companion plants. Here you can see nasturtiums, marigolds. Then I also have some cosmos over here. Then I have pot marigold, or it is also called calendulas. Then I have German camellia. Then I have rhododendron. Also you can see geraniums in few pots. This is my Musa baschu banana tree. It is in its third year and also has couple of baby plants which was also overwintered together with its mother plant. I am happy to see that the plant has come back in full swing despite the long cold spell that we had in last winter. Here I am growing few varieties of beans. Some of them are yellow, white and violet varieties, and down here these are bush beans and some of them is yard long beans. So I am experimenting with this trellis that is built. This is a simple trellis with two poles on the sides and I have tied up the strings and I let the strings down and the beans help themselves and they climb up. Last year I harvested around 35 kilos of tomatoes and this is one of the vegetables that we use extensively in Indian cooking. And this year I have nearly around 10 different varieties of tomatoes. Some of them are beef stick varieties and most of them are cherry varieties with different colors. And this is one of the vegetables that give you instant gratification in their harvest, and I highly recommend growing good varieties of tomatoes that gives you good yield. This is Tumbling Tom yellow cherry tomato variety. As per its name, it doesn't grow tall but it trails down and keeps up to 50 centimeters in height. Best suitable for balconies and also for hanging baskets. I'm growing few varieties of aubergines in different colors and also shapes. Here you can see zinnia. I also have seedlings in different pots that has to be transplanted for zinnia corner. Here I have red and white onions. They are started from onion sets. Some of them I'm using as spring onions and I will let the remaining to grow into full size onions. I also have few chili varieties. Some of them are jalapenos and cayenne. And some of the chili plants I've started from the seeds from my kitchen, and these are all Indian variety of chilies. This is one of the veggie plant that I would like to grow year after year because I like their productivity. Even if you have couple of plants, they give you so many harvests. This year I'm growing few varieties of zucchini like Black Beauty, Patreon and also yellow color zucchini. I'm also trying out a vining variety of zucchini this year. These are my potato plants. I've started them from seed potatoes. These are few varieties of rose color, violet and also the normal varieties, and I'm happy to check how the harvest is going to be. Here I have some normal carrots and also multicolored carrots. I also grew some brassicas like broccoli and pointed cabbage. These brassicas have been taken over by snail. They have harvested my plants before me. The snails also started to enjoy the kohlrabi leaves. I am trying out natural ways to deter the snails by applying some eggshells. This seems to work. I have always been lucky with my brassicas growing in my balcony. They look neat and clean. This year I am experimenting and I don't expect a bigger size as I grow them in a smaller pot. In here I have few cucumber varieties. I have a long English cucumber and also short cucumber variety. They started producing flowers and fruits, and just in few days I can harvest some fruits. This is the last level of garden. Here you can see some herbs and also some fruit plants like pomegranate, fig and grapes. These all will find a different place in my garden. This fig was not performing well in the ground because of less sunlight, so I moved it to the pot until it finds its place in the garden. Here I have a pot full of a different colored paprika plant along with some garlics. And then I have also aubergines, different varieties. This is German camellia plant. These flowers can be used to make camellia tea, which has got very good medicinal value. This mint plant is overwintered from last year. There was no leaves or stems visible in winter and spring, and now they look lush green because of the rain that has woken up the plant, and it looks so beautiful. Here I have few more herbs. I have chives, lemongrass, rosemary, thymian, mint, coriander, and also oregano. My grape started producing fruit, but it will find a different place in my garden. Here you can see other mint which has grown tall. This needs a summer cut. This is also overwintered from last year. And down here you can see different varieties of lavender. This is quite a new addition to my garden. This is a lavender bush in my front yard. It attracts a lot of bees and bumblebees. So I thought it's a good idea to include some lavender into my veggie garden as well. I was fascinated when I saw this white color lavender flowers. So I picked that one and also a few more lavenders for my veggie garden. This is quite a new addition to our garden this year. We have built this rooftop trellis for our vining veggies. Behind is our beech tree. Its leaves and flowers have very good medicinal value. There is some shade from the tree, but most of the time there is sunlight falling onto the trellis. I grow few pumpkin varieties and also some Indian gourd vegetables. Here you can see some beetroots that is planted along with the pumpkin plants. Here you can see bitter gourd or bitter malan, and I also have pumpkin planted along in the same pot. I do have couple of cantaloupe melons, Hokkaido pumpkin, and snake gourd and bottle gourd veggies. Gardening is never boring. You can always learn a lot of new things. You can experiment. You can implement new techniques, grow new veggies, and get excited and happy about it. This year, I'm quite excited about the new trellis that we have built and the veggies that is going to show up there. I wish you a happy gardening and happy harvesting, and I hope you also have new excitements this year. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.